Welcome, welcome. Come in and get comfortable. Even though tax season can be a stressful time for us all, it doesn't have to be complicated. So let's get straight to it. Step 1 is to gather the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need. Your W-2 form from your employer, 1099 forms for additional income, receipts for tax-deductible expenses like education or medical costs, your Social Security number, and, if applicable, your spouse's or dependent's details. Organizing these ahead of time makes filing faster and stress-free. Step 2. Choose a filing method. Options include using tax software like TurboTax or TaxSlayer, hiring a tax professional for complex returns, filing a paper return, though this is less common. Most people use online software. It's quick, user-friendly, and walks you through every step. Step 3. Fill out your tax forms. If you're using software, it'll guide you through forms like the 1040. Be sure to do the following. Enter your income accurately. Include deductions and credits you qualify for, like the child tax credit or education credit. And always, always, always double-check your numbers to avoid errors. Step 4. Submit your return. Most people e-file since it's faster and more secure. If you owe taxes, you can pay online or by mail. And don't forget to save a copy for your records. The sooner you file, the sooner they can issue you a refund, if eligible, in most cases. Last and finally, Step 5. Repeat this process annually to stay on top of your taxes. The federal tax deadline is usually April 15th, so try to have everything squared away by that date. Use the Where's My Refund option on the IRS website or their mobile app to stay updated. Happy tax filing, and as always, don't forget to water your dreams and watch them grow. Feel free to comment below about potential topics you'd like to learn more about, and it might be featured in the next video. Thanks for watching!